Couple times now, I post Shaneil Muir and I see people comment and say them rate her from Mobile High School or them rate her from Magnum, Kings and Queen. If you're one of them people, you can just go ahead and comment from now, right? But people, she actually post a footage of when she drop out a Magnum, Kings and Queen. It's called How It Started and How It's Going Challenge. So we are going to talk about that, right? I also going to show the stations. When you know stations was sing with my father, say come into my room, I play the jump. So full details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man, I pushing at the traffic.
I want to share something who don't know what stick with me from high school. Remember one day me in one class and one teacher asked, we say, what's the best time to plant a tree? And when I say tree, I talk about fruit tree, apple tree, whatever, you know what I mean? I go tell you now what that is if you stick around to the end of the video. But this I got tie into Shaneil Muir's story. So people, you know, she posted a video of her 4 years ago by Magnum, Kings and Queen. And that's the time when she dropped out. And then she posts another video of the Yamabella music video. So the challenge is called How It Started and How It's Going. Now, I don't have no like heavy research for tell you say, you know what I mean, she start DJ pan Magnum or she start DJ 1 month before Magnum or nothing like that. No, I can't tell you that. But we just got discuss around the fact what she say in the caption and all that and how it happened for her, right? But people, remember some telling them that I was showing the stations I play the drum. So I go show the stations I play the drum. And see what I say, I build a vibes. I really like this because, you know, stations really look like she can play the drum. So here goes. Watch the video.
Kill them, sister, kill them.
So Station says she joined the Rimshot band people and want to see her and if you call her Jummy, right? So big up yourself Station and big up your band. You see me I say big up Rimshot band. Right people, so let's talk about Shaneil Muir people. Like me I say, you know, we know Shaneil Muir today, she a do her thing on the dancehall scene, she have couple songs going good, you know what I mean, her career steady and look like it a grow fast, right? But there was a time like all artists where, you know what I mean, you were unknown and nobody know you and nobody not really take a bet on you or you know what I mean, you never develop to be professional like you are now. I may talk about other artists because she is not the only artist who depend Magnum, you know what I mean, we never win. Remember, so we have artists who win Magnum and win all together. Well, I don't know about all together sing, but win them kind of competition there, right? We have artists who do that and them there right now, right? But you have artists like Ragging King too who never win and he make it. You see me? But people, I go show you the video where she post, right? And then I go tell you what she say. So here is the video. 4 years ago, Shaneil Muir per Magnum, Kings and Queen, and she got eliminated. Here goes.
Climax! And so, Shaneil Muir, you received the lowest vote. Unfortunately, we would love to hear what you had in store for us tonight. So, Randy Rich, drop the rhythm. Oh. Hey, true life story. Thank you so much, Magnum, Kings and Queens. Men just leave school, no experience, but can't get a job without experience. How me I go manage? Give me up the knowledge when we can't find the first and send me go college. I'm a no that we run if you want it to do. Learning life is not an easy road, like I'm burning while I'm freezing cold. Oh, when it's overload, the broke pocket feeling just can't work. The leaking on the ceiling just can't work. My mama getting raped by the gate one.
So to see what go on people. That was actually a good song. You know, see me I say I like that song there. But obviously never makes you win. Now me hear the judge them say climax. So me I will ask you know, when you put in the comment section if that are the climax. So you know climax the artist also, right? Masika baby mother, right? So when you put in the comment section, If you don't know. Now this video on the screen is the Yamabella music video. And you can see it was trending #1 and it was post 6D at the time of the screen capture and it has 659,000 views and our subscribers them up people. You see me I say 102,000. So you definitely see it's going for you, right? So like I said, the challenge is called how it started versus how it's going. So she also had a caption too. So she's saying at the caption people. Another how it started and how it's going. She said another because she also posted a picture with her with a keyboard that's in the community section, in my community section, so you can go over the community section if you don't want to see that picture, right? And then she continued and say, don't you dare give up on yourself or your dreams. A lot won't see it until others do. Keep pushing and putting the work in. Now watch your nice in the market, but collect your right change. A God me say, right? So we definitely hear what she has say. A lot of people never see the vision at first, and it always go like that, people. You know what I mean? Them say stranger more for help you than your friends and family. And especially with internet thing, people want to know you give the support. So 4 years ago, Shaneil could have just call it quits and say, music now work out and just find a different line of work or something, you know what I mean? Do something else and love music alone. But she believe in herself and obviously she that good because she make it there to the people, you know what I mean? And she had do the work. She have her song them are going good, you know what I mean? Even me there as I talk about her now. Obviously 4 years ago, I never know her. But I just say that for say this now, people. The thing what the teacher say is if you plant a tree 3 years ago, it would already today. Now the second best time for plant a tree is today. So you will have one 3 years from now. You see what I say? And when we look upon it in a Shaneil situation, you see what I say? That definitely around the time frame. 4 years ago, 3 years ago, when she decides, say, yeah, she had fight the fight by herself and make it in her music. And probably when you know what things going on, people are when you least expect it, she probably reach one point where she said, boy, I never care about busting again. And boom, I hit that. I don't know, but I'm just saying. I don't know how this thing goes. So people, if anybody out there want to do anything in their life, start today. You know what I mean? Start today. Don't worry about all the time will pass already and all the wrongs are gone or whatever mistake. You can look back on that and use that as a stepping stone. But start today and you know what I mean? You never know, 2, 3, 4 years down the line, you might achieve your goal. So that's the message I want to leave with from where Shaneil Muir, you know what I mean? From she shows say, she is a living testament, so she made it. For somebody who drop out a Magnum as an artist and still can make it professional as an artist, you know what I mean? And that's a force to be reckoned with. So, that's the end of the video, people. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. Right? If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. So everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.